I just found out something. Na meron palang sunscreen I don't have to apply much just to reach that level of sun protection. Tinan mo ito ha, bilis ito i-blend in fairness. Kunti lang nilagay ko, pero protektado na yung skin ko. I've been testing this for quite some time now. This one is from Blox. Ito yung kanilang Cool Down Hydrolite Sunscreen. And kita mo, gone in 3 seconds, na-absorb na niya. Tapos hindi ko kailangan maglagay ng madami. Ako, personally, madami ako always maglagay ng sunscreen, like more than 2-finger method. Pero may mga days din naman ayoko ng super heavy ng aking base. So, super proud ako sa aking bag on Discovery! This one feels so premium, blends easily. Hindi ko kailangan maglagay ng madami. Kasi this one uses advanced filters, kaya naman kahit konti lang ilagay mo, protected agad yung skin mo against the sun. And can we talk about the finish? It's not flat, it's not oily, it's demi-matte. They call this Cool Down Hydrolite Sunscreen kasi meron siyang cooling feeling. Hindi siya minty or merong sting. Wala din siyang alcohol. Pero mafe-feel mo yung parang whole sensation sa face mo. Parang may konting lamig. Ganon. And this one is also perfect under your makeup kasi hindi din siya nagpipil. And this one has SPF 50 plus PA4 plus. And actually, meron din sila isa pang variant. Ito yung kanilang Tone Up Peach Priming Sunscreen. Ginagamit ko to usually kapag hindi ako mag-makeup kasi nga tone up. And in fairness naman, hindi ako nagbumukhang multo dito sa tone up na to. Hindi siya nag-relieve ng white cast or it doesn't make my skin, look pale. It just gives that healthy brightness. And gumagamit akong tone of sunscreen sa aking neck para pumantay lang yung color ng face ko sa aking neck. Kasi naturally, my face is way more lighter than my neck. So yeah, tone of sunscreen ang sagot dyan guys. Kung ayaw nyo magmukhang hiwalay yung ulo nyo sa inyong leg. Okay? I'm so proud of my new discovery. This is why I love discovering new things. Kasi nalaman ko na may iba-iba pala talaga atake ang mga sunscreen. Plus, I believe these are Korean sunscreens. That's why maganda talaga yung formulation nila. Girl, I just found out something.